Yo, I got no birth records, no next of kin. Know a lot of motherfuckers, got no best friends. Know the weather, checking 10-10 wins. AM, 1st and 15th, I'm laying at the check cashing. Think I'm playing, blinking, I'm spraying. Wrong move, ask yourself which leg you won't lose, cause you gon' lose. I cripple niggas, from the complex to simple niggas. Keep showing y'all what difficult is. Half the world saying dumb, but never been to the bridge. What type of shit is that? Fraudulence, what's the cause of it? Nature came through, erasing all of it. Stop the presses. Groupie niggas ask a lot of questions. I repeat, this is not a question. If he don't reply quick enough, I gotta press him. Keep the Glock by the intestines, 38 waist with a belt. Regardless of your stats, you can catch a shell.